Hello, my friends. Happy Monday to all of you. There are big changes being made to the new stimulus bill. Senate Democrat Joe Manchin has just urged that the Biden administration cut a few provisions from the bill. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer has set a new deadline for this bill to be passed. So, my friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for all of the new details on the stimulus package. Also know that I'll be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. To enter any of the giveaways, simply click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the $75 gift card.
Through this program, if a member of your household receives SNAP benefits, Medicaid, free or reduced price school lunch, or a number of other programs, or if your household makes below a certain income, then you are eligible to receive a discount on your monthly internet bill of $30 a month, or $75 a month if you live on tribal lands. Altogether, nearly 40% of American households are eligible for this important program. And so far, we have helped more than 11.5 million households lower their monthly bills and have access to affordable high-speed. In May of 2020, her family signed up for high-speed internet through the ACP, and because of this initiative, Julissa could attend class and do her homework without worrying about her internet connection. And she told me the ACP single-handedly saved her junior year, and this fall, she will be the first in her family to attend college at her.
Senate Democrat Joe Manchin says he still wants to pass major pieces of President Biden's agenda. However, sources close to Senator Manchin say that Democrats may be making a big mistake by waiting for him to lay out precisely what he'd support. Joe Manchin has expressed interest in passing the bill through reconciliation. He would like to raise taxes, reduce the deficit, cut prescription costs, and fund energy and climate measures. Senator Manchin also began leading bipartisan talks on energy over the last 2 weeks. But sources close to Manchin believe that Democrats are making an error by waiting for Joe Manchin to create his own detailed legislation. In a statement, Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer and House Speaker Nancy Pelosi said, "The best approach would be for the White House to come up with a plan, get his approval, and then hand it off. He is not going to write a partisan bill. That is not who he is." White House officials insist that they have been sounding out Joe Manchin about what he's willing to support. Chuck Schumer recently met with Joe Manchin behind closed doors in what was billed as a conversation about combating inflation. Schumer said that the meeting was good and that they were going to continue talking. Chuck Schumer also added that the only way to get rid of inflation is through reconciliation, because no Republican is willing to raise taxes. Manchin has said he would support a package of higher taxes on upper earners and corporations, as long as the new spending programs are funded permanently and half the savings are put towards deficit reduction. Joe Manchin has also kept the door open to extending health care benefits. He has told reporters, "My main thing is inflation. Fighting inflation with tax reforms. We ought to get rid of this debt and start, in a responsible way, handling our finances." Manchin himself has acknowledged an obvious hurdle to a bipartisan deal. Any such package would have to be paid for, and Republicans are opposed to raising taxes to finance it. So, my friends, do you think that Congress will ever reach a deal this month? Please leave me your thoughts in the comment section below. Lawmakers across the country are proposing a few different measures intended to provide relief at the gas pump as record high prices hit drivers' pocketbooks. While the Biden administration considered the idea of sending gas cards through the IRS, House Democrats have pitched ideas mirroring some popular crisis relief programs, such as stimulus checks and the advanced child tax credit. And just a few weeks ago, the average price of a gallon of gas was over $5 in 3 states: California, Hawaii, and Nevada. Several other states, such as Washington, Oregon, Alaska, and Arizona, are inching closer to the painful price point. With that in mind, many lawmakers are looking at ways to help the American family feeling the pinch. Recently, Colorado Governor Jared Polis has signed the state budget, an act he says will boost reserves to their highest recorded level in state history, while also delivering an $800 million stimulus package to help Coloradans recover from this crisis. Lawmakers are marketing the stimulus package as a Colorado comeback. Governor Polis originally asked lawmakers for $1.3 billion in stimulus spending, vowing that amount would create 15,000 new jobs in the private sector. But the legislature landed on a more conservative number, which is $800 million. Friends, the keyword for this video is Pacific Ocean. If you would like to enter today's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, simply click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Pacific Ocean, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you're also subscribed to my channel. The broad collection of legislation is made up of everything from small business support to funding for new infrastructure projects. Like Governor Polis, California Governor Gavin Newsom, and Maine Governor Janet Mills are also allocating more funds to a new round of state stimulus checks for their residents. So friends, do you agree with me that all U.S. states should send out their own form of stimulus checks? Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Well, my wonderful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. Please stay tuned because in my next video, I will be announcing the winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway. Thank you so much, my friends. And please have a wonderful and blessed Monday.